This is what the auto repair industry is really like. And this is the stuff that I say to you all the time that no other channels really are putting it out there, but they are. And this is the reality of it. So Rachel's going to play the video that I shared with her this morning. And it's the same exact nonsense we deal with here every day.
More like I deal with every day. Probably.
And I'm going to narrate through some of it. Play the video.
Us mechanics are done with your bullshit. You buy these fancy ass cars. You want all the shit done to them. And when you find out what it costs too much money. Stop buying them. Buy a Toyota. Leave us alone. And if any mechanic is happy and jubilant and jumping up and down, he's fucking you.
This guy is spot on. You want the job done for dirt cheap. You want the decades of my experience. You want my professionalism. You want me to be punctual on time. You want everything to be perfect. Perfect parts, great warranty. You want it all. You want to have your cake and eat it. And guess what? The world doesn't work that way. You buy luxury vehicles and you expect Toyota prices. Like, come on now. Your car's not a beater. It's a German car. If your mechanic is happy, he's probably ripping you off. Mechanics are annoyed, pissed off for a reason. Their job is annoying. From the stupid clients to the engineers to the designers, everything's just designed to piss you off and put more stress on you. If your mechanic's pissed off, he's probably being honest.
Mr. Reliable! Mr. Reliable! Can you come check out my car? I drove all the way from Fort Lauderdale.
Are you gonna appreciate Mr. Reliable and be grateful for his services?
Of course.
All right, let's see. What's your vehicle?
Audi over here.
Audi. Are you expecting Honda prices?
Maybe.
Mr. Reliable is not here.
Us mechanics are done with your
Stop the video.
bullshit. You buy
You can
these
stop it.
fancy ass cars.
That's the reality of the industry. More this year than ever have we seen the same behaviors. People come in, say, I want service right now. We check it out. We give them the prescription for their problems, and they expect it to be free or peanuts, like they're working on a Chevette from 1970 or 1980. Those days are gone, people. And he's right. Appreciate your mechanic. Appreciate your service writer, like Rachel and myself. Our labor rates are $80 to $100 less than the dealership. Do you feel like you're getting screwed every time you go to the dealership? You're letting it happen. There's guys and girls in the business like ours that are ready to take care of you. And, Rachel will smile, but he's right. If you got a miserable mechanic, he's usually good at what he does, and he's honest. If you got a happy, clicky mechanic, yeah, he's definitely probably screwing you. Just smiling all the way, but yeah.
Well, I smile. I'm just a people person, though. I actually have conversations with people.
Now
about
Jude's
life.
going to make me miserable. But that's the truth. You come into a shop like ours, our labor rate is $80 to $100 less than the dealership that you probably used to go to and support. And like he said, appreciate me, appreciate what we do for you. Stop expecting things for free or for peanuts. It's not a reality. That's what he said. Oh, you're driving Audi and you have problems and you're expecting Honda prices. I'm out of here. I'm not your guy, because that's not the real world. But that's not two fake stage scenarios. That's real world. That those imprints on their message to you is actual situations every day. And we see it. It doesn't matter if your BMW or Land Rover's 30, 40 years old. That's what it costs to fix those kind of cars. And you're in a shop that's already below market pricing, and you're still grinding them up and torturing them. That's why you see a lot of the good guys in this business just say, I'm done, I'm retiring, I've had enough. What else is going on? We got empty bays again.
No, you have 2 bays.
We have empty bays from work from yesterday, Rachel. There's no clean work here today. Are you getting this at Firestone? Are you getting this at Pep Boys?
Pay for that?
What do you mean?
How would you pay for it?
Do we get them for free?
Well, we got them from Uncle Robert.
Yeah, but that's like 3, 4, 5. We're not getting them for free anymore. I'm paying for them. You're not getting this at most shops. See this? Look, you're not getting this. We still provide this for our customers as slow as we are. Look, this is almost empty. What did I say? I said, Rachel, do we have any more? She says, no, we're out. She goes, but the crackheads and the junkies keep coming in and filling their pockets with it. Yeah, so they could probably wipe off their shot marks. Right?
Oh, that would make sense how they're doing that.
Yeah, they're filling their pockets with it, so
He
they.
was tweaking so hard the other day.
This area is so horrible. But I still want to provide the customers with a different level of experience and service here at my center, and so does Rachel. And then we can't put our fingers on what's going on here. Phone's not ringing, no appointments, no walk-ins. And then the customers who do show up, their expectations were so low to getting their car fixed, and the repair cost of their vehicle and needs were so high. There's no balance there. It's the truth, right? There's no balance. All right, so we have some crap in the bays that we're going to go get started on. That's used car recondition work. I'll make some content for you today. Come check us out. And you wonder why I'm not smiling all the time? That's because I'm the good guy. Rachel's like, oh, you're so miserable. You're so miserable. It's the business that makes me miserable. I love fixing cars. I love seeing you every day.
Oh my god.
Did you see my video last night with the masks?
No. I just told you I didn't call my phone.
So Rachel has a TikTok channel too. So if you want to check out her content, what is it? Smiling butterflies and unicorns?
No. I
What is,
don't really have content.
it's okay. People just want to see your feet.
Stop.
What is it?
It's just Life of Rachel 26.
Life of Rachel 26. So if you want to be more involved in Rachel's non-reality world, check out her channel. Thanks for watching.